Good morning students, welcome to day 14. In previous class we were studying the examples related to the sex determination type. That is 5 sex determination types are there and we completed 4, that is 1. Okay, so we completed that is XX, XY, XX, X0, ZZ, ZW, ZZ, Z0 like that. Okay, now today our 5th type of sex determination, that is haplodiploidy type of sex determination. Which one it is? 5th type, haplodiploidy. Haplodiploidy type of sex determination. This is very interesting. Okay, that is here number of chromosomes decides whether the offspring is male or female. I will write here number of chromosomes determines the sex of offspring. Sex of offspring. It is again important and interesting. Listen here. Here, in this type of sex determination, the haploid number of chromosome, that is nothing but male, and the diploid number of chromosome is female. I will write here. First point. Here, the males are haploid. The males are haploid. Nothing but they contain 16 chromosome. Okay, and females are diploid. That is 32 chromosomes they contain. ಇಲ್ಲೇನಾಗ್ತದ್ರಿ 16 chromosome ಇದ್ರೆ that is male honeybee. Okay, and 32 chromosome idra, that is female honeybee. This is the sex type of sex determination under which insects like honeybee, ants and wasps belong or comes. That is one. Okay, so here now listen. The offsprings formed by the fusion of sperm and egg develop into female honeybee. That is nothing but queen or worker bee. ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ. That is one. Okay, now after that the unfertilized egg means there is no fusion of male and female gamete, means there is no fusion of sperm and egg. Okay, the unfertilized egg develops into male honeybee. This is very important. Male honeybee, that is nothing but drone. Listen here carefully. What happens here when the female matures? It produces the egg by oogenesis, that is reductional division. Meiosis ಆಗ್ತದ್ರಿ female ಒಳಗ, and 32 chromosome in ಆಗ್ತದ್ರಿ. The gamete will divide into haploid. That is each egg contains 16 chromosome. Haploid now. The egg produced will contain, that is 16 chromosome, that is haploid, female gamete. But here males are already what? They are haploid. So they will produce the sperm by mitosis, not by meiosis. Because it already they are haploid means 8 ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. The minimum required chromosome in honeybee is 16. Okay, so hangagi these male honeybees, that is drone, they produce the egg, the sperm, or the spermatogenesis in their body takes place by mitosis, not by meiosis. But in queen or worker bee, meiosis occurs during the oogenesis. Okay, now listen what happens here. This process, the unfertilized egg develops into male honeybee, or the development of the offspring without fertilization is called parthenogenesis. This phenomenon or process, or the phenomenon of development of offsprings without fertilization. Is it possible? Yes, it is possible here. Without male and female, okay, for fusion, offsprings without fertilization, or the development of springs from unfertilized egg. Unfertilized egg is called, one mark question, it is parthenogenesis. Parthenogenesis. What is parthenogenesis? The development or the formation of the offspring without fertilization, or the from the unfertilized egg. The formation of offspring or development of offspring from unfertilized egg is called parthenogenesis. Example, this is possible in honeybee, ants and wasp. What happens here? One point again I will write. Males produce sperm by which method I told? Equational division, mitosis, because they are already 16, and mitosis will produce again 16 only in the sperm also. That is why. And here the males produce sperm by mitosis, 16 in the 16 ಬರ್ತದೆ. Whereas female is normal. Okay, that is female undergo meiosis, and it will give that is egg structure, that is 16 chromosome containing egg 1, and another again 16 chromosome containing egg, that is eggs are formed in by meiosis in female. Okay, like that. Now here what happens, I will write here the reproduction type, and then I will write the sentence. Here males are formed only from the mother's unfertilized egg, isn't it? It means here males are formed without the father's gamete. That is the interesting here. Listen, male honeybee, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೀತೀನಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, male honeybee, okay, that is chromosome history 16. Here it is female honeybee, chromosome history 32. Now it produces sperms or gametes by which process? By mitosis. The spermatogenesis occurs by mitosis, and sperms that is containing 16 chromosome. Now here yatra ಆಗ್ತದ್ರಿ, it produces gametes, that is oogenesis by meiosis. ಏನಾಗ್ತದ್ರಿ? oogenesis. And here it is 16 chromosome in one egg, 16 chromosome in other egg, like that. Okay, now here suppose this 16 chromosome containing egg, now these both are egg, okay, it is fertilized by this sperm. This sperm ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದಾಗ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ? 16 plus 16. Suppose this is the sperm, okay, sperm plus egg. Now it will form what? 32, and this develop into female honeybee. Female honeybee, nothing but queen or worker, like that. Now this egg which is not fertilized, I will write here unfertilized egg. Unfertilized egg develops into what? That is, again it will remain 16. It will be, that is, drone. Nothing but male honeybee. Now listen here. The male honeybee is formed from only the mother's gamete. That is the unfertilized egg. It means the male honeybee is not having father. Is it possible? Yes, in this case it is possible. Here the male is formed without fertilization. It means here the male is formed from the unfertilized egg of his mother, and this process is called parthenogenesis. Okay, so now listen. So here the male don't have father, hence they can't have son. Very interesting. I will write here also. The males don't have father, isn't it? Because they are developed from mother's unfertilized egg. Illi male gamete fuse ಆದಾಗ ಏನು ತಯಾರಾಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ರೀ? Female. Here daughter is produced, not the son. Here female is produced by the fertilization, but male is produced without fertilization. So here the male formed from the unfertilized egg means only one gamete ಬೇಕಾಗ್ತದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ male honeybee ತಯಾರಾಗಲಿಕ್ಕೆ, that is drone. It means here the males don't have father because they have only mothers, because they are formed from only mother's gamete, not from fathers. Whereas females are formed from both the gamete, male and female. Mother's egg and father's sperm linda female honeybee ತಯಾರಾಯ್ತು, queen or worker, that is one. But here drone or male honeybee is formed only from the mother's unfertilized egg. It means it is having only mother, not father. That is, here the males don't have father, hence they can't have son. Son yak ill agadilli nodri, because after again mitosis it will produce what? Sperm. Okay, now when this sperm fuses with the egg again, for example this is again another honeybee. Now this is the second generation of Tilgori. This is F1. There is a cross between the honeybee, male and female, and these are the parental generation, and these are their children. Okay, that is F1. Now when these children mature, and again, for example in male Tilgori, when it matures and it produces sperms by mitosis. Now this sperm, we write here, when fuses with again here what, that is parent, that is 16, it will form what? Daughter. Nothing but female honeybee, 16 and 16, like that. It means here the sperm is only functional in case of formation of daughter, not in case of what? Formation of son. Hence this male he don't have father and hence can't have son. But remember, when this daughter, the formed daughter, I will write here female honeybee. When this female honeybee produces again egg, that is 16 and 16. Okay, now this unfertilized egg develop into what? Again male honeybee. Are you getting? I think this is the last portion here which I can cover. So listen, ಏನಾಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ? This male is formed from the unfertilized egg of his mother. Okay, because it is having only now mother, not father. In the formation of male there is no male gamete is required. So this male don't have father, hence he can't have son, because son is formed from again unfertilized egg. So he have only sperms. This sperm is useful only for fertilization. That time what is going to form? It is going giving again a female honeybee, queen or worker. Now this will be daughter to this one. Okay, this female honeybee will be daughter to this male one, and the daughter when matures and produces what? That is eggs. The unfertilized egg again develops into male. Now it means this male don't have father and hence can't have son, but he can have grandson, isn't it? He can have grandson because iదే male ಐತ್ರಿ, ಇದೇ daughter, ಇದರಿಂದ daughter ತಯಾರಾಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ by fertilization. ಆ daughter then unfertilized egg ಐತಿ, ಅದು ಏನು male ಒಳಗೆ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಆಯ್ತದ. So ಈ male daughter son ಅಂತ ಬಂದಾಗ it will be grandson, isn't it? Grandson. that is one. So listen here, the male don't have father and hence can't have son, but that is he can have grandson because he have grandfather. That is the mechanism here. Listen, now this drone, what is the relation between this drone and this male honeybee? This honeybee is grandson for this one. Okay, and why it is grandson? That is he have grandfather. Now listen, that is his male mother is formed by the combination of male and female. Suppose in female honeybee adantandre ಎದುರಲ್ಲಿ ತಯಾರಾಗಿದ್ರಿ 16 plus 16 ಇಂದ ಆಗಿದೆ this one, and this 16 nothing but from father and this 16 from mother. So this father is nothing but grandfather for this male. Okay, simple I tell here, the male don't have father, okay, hence can't have son, but that is he have grandfather, hence he can have grandson. Simple mechanism. Okay, simple ಏನಾಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ, the unfertilized egg developed into the male honeybee. Okay, now male honeybee, that is don't have father, hence can't have son, but he has, that is grandfather, because his mother's formation is by the combination of sperm of this male and egg of this female. Now this male will become the father to this honeybee and grandfather to this male, isn't it? That is one. So he have grandfather, hence he can have grandson. There is grandson from his daughter, like that. So this is very interesting type of sex determination seen in honeybee, ants and wasp, like that. So here I will write point. Males don't have father. This line is given in NCERT as it is, as well as in your printed notes. Males don't have father, hence can't have son. That is one. They have grandfather, hence can have grandson. Very important quotation it is, grandson. ಈ ತರ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ರಾಂಗ್ ಅದ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಬೇಡಿ. This is possible in case of these insects, honeybee, ants and wasps, like that. So this is important point. Males don't have father and can't have son, like that. They have grandfather and hence they can have grandson. That is one. So this is the important sentence regarding this type of sex determination, haplodiploidy type of sex determination. Illenatri, males don't have father ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾಕ್ರಿ, because they are developed from unfertilized egg of, that is female honeybee. They are developed from unfertilized egg. That is okay. So this is a simple reason. After this, coming to last topic of this sex determination, that is sex determination in humans anta. Okay, again it is already discussed, XX XY ಬರ್ತದ್ರಿ humans ಒಳಗ, ಆದ್ರೂ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ. Okay, now this diagram is important. Please note down this diagram in your, that is notebook. Now coming to sex determination in humans. Sex determination means male or female in human. That is simple, already discuss ಮಾಡಿವಿ. The genetic constitution nothing but 44 chromosomes. Autosomes are same, but allosomes sex chromosome ಯಾವ ತರ ಅದಾವ್ರಿ, XX and XY. Now listen here, females are, again it is repeating here, females are homogametic, means nothing but X and X they contain. ಉಳಿದಿದ್ದು 22 or 44 ಏನದವ್ರಿ ಆಟೋಸೋಮ್ಸ್ ಅದಾವ. So the here females are homogametic and produce all that is the same gametes. All egg contains only what? X chromosome. Males are heterogametic, that is X and Y. Okay, and hence produce two types of gametes. 50% of sperms are carrying X chromosome and 50% of sperms or gametes carry Y chromosome. That is one. Okay. Now it means here there is equal probability. This point is very important for the entrance point of view. There is equal chances or possibility, okay, probability of 50% of X chromosome, okay, 50% of male formation and as well as 50% of female offspring formation. Yakri, because there are chances from mother there is X and X in the egg. Mother is homogametic here. So, but from father again 50% of sperm may carry X, 50% of sperm may carry Y, and hence there are equal probability. 50-50 chances are there. That is one. अब यार तरह नोडोಣ. For example, this is male parent and this is a female. ಇಲ್ಲೇನಿರ್ತದೆ ಈಗ ನೋಡ್ರಿ 44 chromosomes plus XY ಇರ್ತದೆ. And here 44 plus what? X ಇರ್ತದೆ. Now ಇಲ್ಲಿ heterogamety ಅಂದ್ರೆ two types sperms ತಯಾರಾಗಬಹುದು. Meiosis ಆದ ನಂತರ reduction 22 plus X one sperm or 22 plus Y, this is another sperm, but from mother only one type of gamete, that is 22 plus X. ಇನ್ನೊಂದಿದ್ರೂ ಅದೇ ತರ ಇರ್ತದೆ, that is one. But ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ only one egg produce ಆಗ್ತದೆ, that is by the every menstrual cycle like that. Okay, now listen, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗ್ತದ್ರಿ, these 22 plus X when fertilized, the sperm carrying X chromosome when fertilized this egg, okay, it will give what? 22 44 and plus this X from father's sperm, this X from mother's egg. Now this will give, that is female offspring. Suppose this sperm when fertilizes this egg, because here egg is chances ಏನದು ಎರಡು ತರ ಆದ್ರೆ 50-50 chances ಅದ, egg contains X only. So this 22 44 autosomes total, then this X from mother and this Y from father. So this will be what? Male offspring. Finally ಏನಾಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, who is determining the sex of the offspring or fetus? Male is determining. That is one. You know already XX XY. There is a males determine the sex of the offspring or decide the sex of the offspring. So here I will write 50 raised to 50, that is 1:1. 1:3. That is 50% chances are there. That is one. So 1:1. reason in ring because 50% of sperm carry Y, 50% of sperm carry X, like that. So here female is homogametic, so she is not responsible for formation of whether boy baby is going to form, that is our girl baby is going to develop. So here mother is not responsible in humans. So female is homogametic, hence she is not responsible for the sex of the offspring. Here male is heterogametic and hence male is responsible for the formation of, that is male or female offsprings. But remember, in Indian society, the lines are given in NCERT, please read carefully. Always females are blamed by producing, that is continuous, again continuous, that is female babies only. So in the olden days, that is always females were, that is blamed that she is producing only female offsprings ಆಗ್ತಾರ. ಏನಾಗ್ತಿದ್ರಿ ಬರೀ ಫಿಮೇಲ್ ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ ಟೋಟಲಿ ಏನಾಗ್ತಿದ್ರಿ ಮಿಸ್ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಇರ್ತಿತ್ತು, that is she is producing total female offsprings ಆಗ್ತಾರ. But here actually who is the responsible partner, that is male is producing two types of gametes and hence the male is responsible for producing the male or female offspring. Male is deciding the sex of the offspring. So here it is totally related to sex determination in humans. Okay. Already what ಹೇಳಿದ್ರಿ ಅವಾಗ ನೀವು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಒಳಗ, but here 50-50 chances ಅಷ್ಟು ಹೇಳೋ ಸಲುವಾಗಿ ಇದು again repeat ಮಾಡೀನಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. Okay. After that this table is just again important. NCERT ಒಳಗಿಲ್ಲ, ನೆನಪಿಡ್ರಿ, ಈಸಿ ಐತಿ, ನಿಮಗೆ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ ಇದು. Animals ಆಟೋಸೋಮ್ಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಇರ್ತಾವ್ರಿ ಆ ಬಾಡಿ ಒಳಗ, ಸೆಕ್ಸ್ ಕ್ರೋಮೋಸೋಮ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಇರ್ತಾವ, ಟೋಟಲ್ ಕ್ರೋಮೋಸೋಮ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಇರ್ತಾವ. ಓಕೆ, ಆನಿಮಲ್ಸ್ ಹ್ಯೂಮನ್ ಒಳಗ ಆಟೋಸೋಮ್ಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಅದ್ರಿ 44, ಫ್ರಮ್ ಮದರ್ 22, ಫ್ರಮ್ ಫಾದರ್ 22. ಫಿಮೇಲ್, ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಮೇಲ್, ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಫಿಮೇಲ್ ಸಿಂಬಲ್, ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಮೇಲ್ ಸಿಂಬಲ್, ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಫಿಮೇಲ್ ಸಿಂಬಲ್. ಮೇಲ್ ಇರ್ಲಿ ಫಿಮೇಲ್ ಇರ್ಲಿ ಆಟೋಸೋಮ್ಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಅದಾವ್ರಿ 44 ಸೇಮ್. ಮೇಲ್ ಒಳಗ ಸೆಕ್ಸ್ ಕ್ರೋಮೋಸೋಮ್ ಯಾವ ಇರ್ತಾವ್ರಿ 44 ಪ್ಲಸ್ XY 46 ಆಯ್ತು. Here who is heterogamity, HET ಅಂತ ಬರ್ದಿರ್ಲಿ, heterogamity, that is one. Okay, short form HET ಬರ್ದಿನಿ. Male is heterogamity, HET is written here at the top. Female ಒಳಗ sex chromosome ಯಾವದರಿ XX. Total chromosome ಎಷ್ಟು ಆಗ್ತವ ಮೇಲ್ ಒಳಗ 46, that is diploid. Haploid ಎಷ್ಟು 23. In even, that is in female same 46 and haploid 23. Haploid gamete ಒಳಗ ಬರ್ತದೆ. Birds, especially chicken. Okay, chicken ಒಳಗ that is one. So no number of autosomes 76 ಇರ್ತಾವ್ರಿ. Okay, and then males ಒಳಗ sex chromosome ಯಾವು 76 autosomes and then ZZ sex chromosomes. Female ಒಳಗ ಏನ್ರಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 76 ಅಂತೂ ಸೇಮ್ ಇರ್ತಾವ. ZW is the sex chromosome. Here female is heterogamity, ಹೇಳಿದ್ ನಿಮಗೆ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಒಳಗ. Female is heterogamity, HET ಬರ್ದಿನ್ರಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಟಾಪ್ ಮ್ಯಾಗ. And then total number of chromosomes ಏನಾಗ್ತಾವ್ರಿ 76 plus 2 78 ಆಗ್ತದ, that is diploid. Haploid ಏನು 39. Male female ಒಳಗ same number of chromosomes present. Drosophila, number of autosomes 6 and number of sex chromosomes XY, same humans ತರ. Who is heterogamity here male, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ದಿನ್ರಿ HET. ಟೋಟಲ್ ಎಷ್ಟಾಯ್ತು 8, that is autosome 6 plus 2. And then female ಒಳಗ XX, as same in case of humans. So total diploid chromosome 8, haploid 4. Both male and female ಒಳಗ same ಇರ್ತದೆ in case. Now coming to grasshopper, you know already in grasshopper male is having one less chromosome than female, 0 ಅಂತ ಬಂದಿತ್ತು, that is XXX0. 22 autosomes same both, that is in male and female. And here male is heterogamity, actually one chromosome less ಇದ್ದ ಸಲುವಾಗ here male is becoming heterogamity. HET ಅಂತ ಬರ್ತೀನಿ, X0 XO ಅಂತ ಓದಬಾರ್ದು ಇದಕ್ಕ. X0, 0 means no any sex chromosome, only one sex chromosome is there, X. And then in female XX, it is homogamity. And then in changes ಏನ್ ಬರ್ತಾವ್ರಿ male ಒಳಗ 23 chromosome, 22 body chromosome auto chromosomes, one is sex chromosome, that is X. But in female one is more, 24 chromosomes. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ವ್ಯತ್ಯಾಸ ಬಂತು, ಇಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ಸೇಮ್ ಇತ್ತು, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ವ್ಯತ್ಯಾಸ ಬಂತು, that is one. Okay, after that butterfly, ಇದೇ ಜಾಗ ಕಾಕ್ರೋಚ್ ರೌಂಡ್ ವರ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ಬರ್ತಾವ. ಬಟರ್ಫ್ಲೈ ಒಳಗೆ ನೋಡಿರಿ ನೀವು. Okay, here 378 autosomes are there ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎರಡು ಸೆಕ್ಸ್ ಕ್ರೋಮೋಸೋಮ್ ಕೂಡಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಆಗ್ತದ್ರಿ 380 ಆಗ್ತದ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅಗೇನ್ so 378 autosomes same in male and female and male ಒಳಗ sex chromosome ಯಾವುದು ZZ here male is homogamity female is heterogamity Z0 here female is having one less chromosome than male in which case ZZ Z0 type of sex determination ಒಳಗ that is butterfly ಒಳಗ on moth also so here total number of chromosome 380 diploid case ಬಂದಾಗ and 190 is haploid case but 380 male da bartadi female olaga female is having one less chromosome that is 379 because female olaga one sex chromosome kadime aitri that is Z0 0 means no any sex chromosome that is female is heterogamity here female decides the sex of the offspring coming to honeybee what we studied today okay total chromosome estimatary 16 here number of chromosome decides the sex of the offspring 16 itta tilkore there is unfertilized egg of the mother that is 16 andra it develops into male honeybee male symbol idu 32 that is a female fertilized egg develops into that is worker or queen like that so male total number of chromosomes estimatary 16 female olaga 32 so this is total about sex determination in given that is whatever syllabus ಒಳಗೆ organism ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರ so sex determination for the particular organisms in table ಒಳಗೆ ಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡೀನಿ ಈ ಟೇಬಲ್ ಪ್ರಕಾರನೇ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು heterogamity ಯಾರು ಅದು ಎಲ್ಲ ಬರ್ದಿಟ್ಟಿನಿ this is heterogamity means this will be homogamity of course that is one so finally keep the things that in grasshopper okay male is having one less chromosome than female and in birds female is having one less chromosome than male that is one and in grasshopper that is male is heterogamity as well as in XX XY that is humans and Drosophila male is heterogamity birds olaga female is heterogamity and butterfly olaga again female is having one less chromosome again female is heterogamity haplodiploid olagantu ivattu helindri that is number of chromosome decides the sex of the offspring so here it completes sex determination topic and in the next class we will start with the next topic that is mutation genetic disorder like that okay so till then read well thank you